Welcome to Safetica Manual Installation Guide. The first thing you need to do is downloading Safetica Installer. The link is in the description below. Manual installation allows you to connect Safetica to your own database. You can also download SQL Express from Microsoft website. Let's now start the installation by running downloaded installer. Choose preferred language. Select Manual Installation and Component Extraction. Now we can start with installing Safetica Server. You can either connect Safetica Server to an existing SQL database or install a new SQL Express database from the installer. We are choosing the second option. Now we set up credentials for the SQL database. Then we set up connection data for the SQL. Congratulations! Safetica is successfully installed and you can now log into your console. Now you can continue with your account and company registration.